us pray.
Angel of God, Angel of God, my guardian dear, to whom God's love commits me here. Ever this day, be at my side, to light and guard, true and God. Amen.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am.
Okay, you may now take your seats.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Is there anyone absent today?
None, teacher.
Very good. I'm glad that you are all present today. Now we have our classroom rules. Please read aloud, everyone.
Classroom rules. 1. Follow instructions. 2. Be respectful and be polite to others. 3. Listen quietly when someone is speaking. 4. Raise your hand if you want to answer and ask questions. 5. Stay in your seat unless you have permission to do otherwise.
So do you understand our rules?
Yes, Ma'am.
Very good. Now, grade 1, do you remember our past lesson yesterday?
Yes, Ma'am. Ma'am, it's all about fastness and slowness in music.
That's right. That is what we call tempo. Now, let me read our objective for today. Letter A is distinguish orally and visually between sound and silence. Letter B, recognize sound and silence. And letter C, tell things that produce sound, things, and does not. Now, class, who wants to play a game?
Ma'am.
Very good. Are you sure?
Yes, Ma'am.
So, are you familiar with this game?
Yes, Ma'am.
So the title of our game is 4 Pigs, 1 Word. So let me read the mechanics. So I will show you 4 pictures and you will guess the word behind it. The one who got the correct answer is given 5 points. So this is the first picture. Who wants to guess the word?
Ma'am.
Yes, Claire?
Ma'am, the word is sound.
So what is the missing letter?
The missing letters are S, U, and N.
Very good. Now, please write on the board. Now, is she correct, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Very good. Give her 5 claps. Next picture. Who wants to guess the word?
Ma'am.
Yes, Lane. What is the missing letter?
The missing letters are I, E, and C.
Please write it on the board. Is she correct, class?
Yes, Ma'am.
Very good. Give her 5 claps.
Great job, class. Now, based on the game that we played, what do you think is our topic for today? Yes, Mary Joy?
Ma'am, I think it's all about sound and silence.
Very good, exactly. Our topic for today is all about sound and silence. Now, let me discuss the distinction between sound and silence. So, what is sound? Can we read it aloud, class?
Sound is created by a vibrating object.
Very good. What sound do you hear daily, class?
Ma'am,
Yes, Mary Joy?
ma'am, noise.
Very good. What else? Yes,
Bird
Mary
singing,
Claire?
ma'am. Bird singing.
Very good. What else? Princess?
Music, ma'am.
Very good. Now, when you hear music, what are you doing?
Ma'am.
Yes, Princess?
I'm dancing, ma'am.
Very good. Now, Our environment is full of sound. This sound came from people, things, animals, and nature. Examples of a sound and silence come from people, things, animals, and nature. We have also no sound, what we call silence. So what is silence? Can we read it again, class?
Silence is the absence of sound.
Very good. So now I have here an example of people with sound and no sound. So our first example is the baby. When the baby is crying, he or she creates a sound. Let's hear it, class. So that's it. And when the baby is sleeping, there is no sound. And only we can hear is what we call silence. Do you understand, class?
Yes, ma'am.
For the things, the example is a car at driving created a sound. So let's hear it again, class. So next, while a car in parking area has no sound. So here is the example. So for the animals, we have here an image of a dog. What is the example of the sound of a dog?
Ma'am.
Yes, Althea?
Ma'am, ow, 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 ow.
Very good. Our next example is nature. In our nature, we saw and heard lightning and thunder. So let us hear class. So that's it. And when the sky and clouds are blue, we can hear silence. So here is the example.
So now, let's see if you really understand our lesson for today. Let's have an activity. So for your task 1, determine if the picture shows sound or silence. Draw a circle if the picture shows sounds and draw X if it is silence. So who wants to answer on the board? And answer the number 1?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mary Joy? Is she correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Who wants to answer the second picture?
Ma'am.
Yes, Althea? Is she correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the third picture? Yes, Jasmine? Yes, Jasmine? Is she correct, class?
Yes, ma'am.
How about the fourth one? Yes, Elaine? How about the last picture?
Ma'am.
Yes, Mary Joy? Do you think their answers are all correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So for your task 2, let's have a group activity. So I will group you first. So this row will be the group 1 and this row will be the group 2. So let me read first the instruction. Think of people, things, animals, and nature that create and do not create sound. At least 5 to 10 examples. So for the task of group 1, list at least 5 to 10 examples of with sounds. And for the task of group 2, list go to your respective group. Are you done, Group 1?
Yes, ma'am.
How about Group 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Group 1 and Group 2. Give yourself a 3 clap. So always remember, in music, there is what we call sound and no sound, or silence. The sound is heard everywhere. It mixes with the air. And it comes from things, people, nature, and animals. And in no sound or silence is the absence of sounds. So now, let's have another activity. So let's read first the instruction. Match the pictures whether it is sound or silence. Just put the picture on the table. So, who wants to go on the board and face the picture?
Ma'am.
Yes, Elaine? Another one.
Ma'am.
Yes, Mary Joy? How about this one? Yes, Summer? How about this picture?
Ma'am.
Yes, Althea? How about this one? Yes, Rona? And how about this last picture?
Ma'am.
Yes, Jasmine? So do you think their answers are all correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So give them a 5 claps. So now, for your assignment, bring out your notebook and copy this one. Are you done, class?
Yes,